the 8-inch Savage Gear glide bait. I forget what the real name is for it that they have, but good quality bait. I like it more than the S-Waver. Has very stout hooks and lots of ways to fish it. Here's some footage of it in action.